Hi builders, welcome to the Social Proof tool. My name is Jackie de Klerk. I'm your success coach, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add social proof to your website. So right here, I'm on the social proof dashboard. I've already created a campaign right here. And I've already got the website where I am going to show the social proof. So the very first step you will need to do is to decide on which page would you like the social proof to pop up. So in this example, we are going to go with the ask page, which I have right here at the bottom. And I'm going to show you which is this one. Now to activate it, you're going to go to the left-hand side and you're going to scroll until you get to the icon that says social proof. You're going to click on that, and at the top you will see you can choose from the drop down existing campaigns that you've created, like I have got the Builderall. If you don't have it yet, you can go to new social proof, and it's going to take you back to the tool to create the campaign, and then you can come back here and choose it from the drop down. Now here is the area where you can choose which pages it needs to reflect on. So in this example, I wanted to show on the ask page, and I'm going to click on save. And maybe this ask page is a sales letter page talking about a course that I'm trying to sell. So I want that pop-up to go there so that I can redirect them to the registration page for the specific course. Now, once you have done that, you're going to have to go back to the social proof, and you're going to click on the campaign area, and you are going to add the URL of the pop-up. Where do the person needs to be sent to once they click on the actual pop-up? So in this example, I want to make use of the e-learning, and I want to send them to the e-learning directly so that they can register for a course. And to be able to collect the information on the form that they are going to complete, you're going to have to choose the right application at the top. You can see that there is a variety of applications you get the information from. It is e-learning, the webinar, the checkout form, Cheetah members area, Cheetah contact, mailing box, as well as booking. But for this example, I am making use of the e-learning to collect the information once a person has signed up, and then obviously the URL where the registration is going to happen. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on save. Now I'm going to go back to the website builder. It's always a good idea to go and click on republish to make sure that all the changes is taking effect, especially if you are working with anything on the left hand side, which is a global element. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go to the ask page and test this. So I'm going to click on view. And remember, you're going to have to take the time that you have set in the social proof app for the social proof pop-up to appear. Now in this case, I have set it up to be 10 seconds, and then after the 10 seconds it's going to be there for 5 seconds and it's going to disappear. So right here you can see, and I'm going to click on it, and now it's going to send me to register for the e-learning. So I'm just going to put in my details, and I'm going to add a password, because this is the action I want the person to take. And I'm going to click on create an account, and it's taking me now to the area of the e-learning. So now I'm just going to close these pages, and I'm going to go back to the social proof, and you can see we don't have any subscribers there at the moment. I'm going to refresh it, and you're going to see that we now have that subscriber in that area. So if I'm going to go to the show records, you can see that Jack has been added into this area. So the next time when another person visited that ask page, they are going to see the subscriber that has just connected to it, also just subscribed to the course or registered to your course, as well as your ghost users. And that is how you would create it inside of your website. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I would urge you to go and watch the other tutorials below this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.